What is a lot in Forex? Simply put, a lot represents the number of currency units you will buy or sell. Thus, lots allow you to measure a transaction amount. The standard size for a lot is 100,000 units of a base currency. Consider you want to trade one lot of AUD/USD. In this pair, the base currency is AUD, so the size of the trade is equivalent to AUD 100,000. You may have already noticed that only traders with a large account capitalization or high leverage can operate with standard lots. This category also includes various financial institutions, insurance funds, banks, and investment companies. To make entering the Forex market easier, traders are offered other lot sizes. A mini lot is 10% of the standard lot, or 10,000 units of the base currency. A micro lot is 1% of the standard lot, or 1,000 units of the base currency. And finally, a nano lot is 0.1% of the standard lot, or 100 units of the base currency. With FXOpen, you can trade every type of lot. For instance, micro account allows you to trade from volumes as low as 1 nano. Basically, lot size is the first thing you need to consider before identifying your entry or exit points. It is a concept which you will always operate with when trading and which directly affects the risks you take. This is what a lot is in a nutshell.